Hey, I'm Michael from Laser Engraving 911.
And I'm Alex from Laser Everything. And today we're here to check out the Light Object Ranger, which comes in a 65 watt and 80 watt configuration.
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this little unit already just by looking at the body of it, but I've been kind of waiting to really get into this machine.
It's a small desktop laser, but they actually jam an entire 600 by 380 or 24-inch by 15-inch bed inside of this bad boy. So you can do some pretty big projects.
We're gonna test that.
Yeah, we brought a lot of stuff. Michael brought like a candy dish, and there's a giant cutting board in there. He did like a weird monogram for me. It's pretty cheesy, but
it's a surprise for him.
I'm excited about it. And there's some parts that we need to cut as well out of acrylic, so we'll be getting into that as well.
We're gonna test how it cuts.
Yeah. So we're definitely gonna be putting this Ranger through its paces. If you're interested in seeing that, don't go anywhere because we're getting started right now.
Right here. Right now. So I had a chance to visit Light Object this year and check out the Ranger 3, which is a pretty amazing unit. And you know that I come from the world of epilogue, so for me to say that, it's gotta mean something. There's not too many desktop units in this price range out there today that have impressed me as much as the Ranger 3 has. Some of the things I thought were extremely cool about this unit was how easy it was to access all the different parts of the laser. On the back, you've got easy access to your exhaust, your chiller, your input, outputs, and on the sides for the controller, the access is just as easy as well. The Ranger 3 comes with 65 watts by default, but you can upgrade to 80 watts, and that's more than enough to pack into this beauty. Another wow feature of this unit is the bed size for such a compact unit, 24 by 15, super generous. You can't help but notice the space-age design of the Ranger 3, and I'm not exaggerating when I say it's built like a tank. Alex and I from Laser Everything had a lot of fun working with different materials with the Ranger 3. We did some acrylic, some wood. We even got around to making a little memorial plaque for our good old friend Jimmy. Rest in peace, Jimmy. This was my first time introduced to a Trosen controller that comes on the Ranger 3, and it was actually really intuitive and easy to use, which I was super stoked about. The speed of the unit is rated at 600 millimeters per second, and of course it's compatible with Lightburn, which is super awesome, and a very generous 2-year limited warranty except for the laser tube, which is 1 year, and the optics and mirrors are 6 months. And what would the Ranger 3 and Light Object be without the people behind the company? So Mindy, Joel, Marco, Jay, these people right here are the heart of Light Object, and they truly care about their customers.